is a non-profit organization dedicated to helping children battling chronic diseases in 12 hospitals across 4 Hungarian cities. Their aim is to help children keep their education and learning on track when they are unable to attend school regularly due to the illness. As the COVID pandemic struck Hungary, Amigos stepped into the digital world to maintain a connection with the children online. However, with their current platform, Amigos couldn't track the kid performance, couldn't deliver interactive exercises, and have limited learning module. Therefore, our solution is to create a web-based application for both the kids and Amigos, so teacher can assign, monitor the student work, while the kid can do their tasks in a fun, encouraging, and interactive platform. Hi, we are HTN, 3 LTech University students who came up with a website which focuses on solving the problem that Amigo is currently facing. For front-end, we have developed a single-page web application using React.js because it's helped reduce development times, high performance, and is easily scalable in the future. As for styling UI, we choose CSS in JavaScript approach using style components. For animation, we use GSAP library for its high performance and compatibility with Components UI. For backend, we use Express framework because it helps developing application faster, provides simple API for the client side. And as for database, we choose MongoDB because it's very popular, supports server hosting as well. So let's have a look at the website demo. Here, we are at the website login page. The user needs to type in their registered username and password in order to access the main page contents. If the user doesn't have an account, either the teacher will create one for them, or the user will create one for themselves in the register page. In order to access the register page, user will need to click on the Create an Account button. On the register page, the user will be asked to type in their username, password, and email. If you already have an account, you can click here. Notice that if you're not logged in, this is the only 2 pages you can access. After typing in your correct username and password, you can press the Sign In button and it will redirect you to the home page. As for the design, we decided to use green, yellow, and orange color as our main color with combination of cartoon art style because they are very colorful and suitable for the kid. We divided the component into blocks so it's easy to navigate and also easy to maintain and increase reusability. At the home page, we have a block that presents new assignment for the kids, so whenever the teacher adds a new quiz, they will know by just looking at this. The reminder block shows the quiz which deadline is going to be in the next 3 days or less. And the classmate who just complete a quiz will be shown in the recent finished block. Currently, there will be 4 main pages for the kids: Home, Leaderboard, Games, and Profile. When you click on the profile, a small menu will appear show extra option for the user. Click on My Profile will redirect you to the profile page, but here the kid can customize their profile picture, cover photos, and description to show their personalities. Down below, there are 2 blocks. One shows their recent grade quizzes, the other shows their top grade quizzes as a sort of achievement. In order to access the learning module, the kids will have to click on the icon on the left side tree. We designed the learning module in a game-like format so the kids can be encouraged to do their tasks and also having fun. Also, the learning module we provide are the combination of both popular and traditional type of games, so they are proven to be efficient. Additionally, the games are unisex so all gender can enjoy while playing it. The first game we're going to look at is the traditional quiz. Click on the game block will redirect you to the list interface where it will show the need to do quizzes and finish quizzes. The red bubble will indicate how many assignments the kids will need to solve. Clicking on the quiz row in yellow will show a window have important information about the quiz, like time limit, maximum point, deadline, and possible attempt. Hit Start to start the quiz. The quiz will have a question, a place to show image or video for visual content, and the answer section. For quiz games, there will be 2 types. The one is showing is the fill in the blank type. Each blank represents a letter which acts like a guide for the kids to know the number letter of a word. The next type is a 4-answer quiz type where the kid will choose one out of the 4 options. After finishing the quiz, a button will show, and when you click on it, it will redirect you back to the game panel. The next game we're going to look at will be an upgrade version of quiz and also more interesting. Introducing Big Quiz, a game where there is a hidden picture and the player will need to guess what the picture is. The main topic picture is hidden behind these 6 small quiz blocks. The player will have to answer the small quiz to reveal part by part of the hidden picture. The less small quiz the kids have to answer to guess the hidden picture, the better the reward. There are also 2 types of small quiz: fill in the blank and choose 1 out of 4. If the answer is correct, when you hit submit, the block will disappear, reveal a part of the hidden image. Same thing goes for the choose 1 out of 4 option quizzes. When the player can guess the topic, they can type in the block on the right hand and then hit submit. After that, the quiz will be submitted to the database and changed from to-do type to finish it type. The user then can click on the finish it type to see the info of the quiz, but cannot redo it. Besides quiz game type, we came up with another game that could help developing kids' creativities and teamwork skills. Let's have a look at Scribbly, a drawing-based game with a lot of cool features. Scribbly is a new form of learning and teaching where the teacher can assign a topic for the kids to draw. It could be a simple one like draw a lamb or a tree, or it could even be in the form of the question or riddle. On the right side, there will be task description created by teacher for the kid to stay on topic. In the drawing panel, there will be basic tools like pen, eraser, color palettes, and further functionalities like undo, redo, and delete. After finishing the work, the student can hit the yellow button to submit. That's the same with Big Quiz, it will change the state from to do to finish. However, on Scribbly, there's another cool thing you can do after you submit your work. You will be able to see your submission and its detail like date and grade. In this case, it is pending because the teacher haven't graded yet. Not only that, you will be able to see your classmate work on the same quiz, and even better, the kids can vote each other's work with emoji to express their thought, which increase the interaction between users. Let's have a look at that functionality. First, let's log out and log into another user account, then submit a nod in the same quiz. Now, the quiz on another account has been marked as finished. Let's click on them and see. Would you look at that? Your submission and your classmate's submission both have been registered in the database. You can click on your submission to see your work, or click on your classmate's submission to see their work. And now, you can vote their work using these 3 emojis, whichever fit your thought. The user can only vote 1 for each of these emoji, so 3 in total for each of their classmate work. So clicking on them again will remove it. This is a fun and interactive activities for the kids, besides from receiving grade from the teacher. Let's have a quick look at our previous account. As we can see, the votes have been increased. Now, let's have a look at another variant of Scribbly, where a group will cooperate with each other to draw a topic. This time, multiple students will be part of a group, and they will be assigned a big topic with multiple small topics, where each of the group members will do 1 out of those. And then, the final result will be a picture that has all elements from the group member. In this case, the group picture is the city, so the first person will draw a tree. And then, the next person will draw a lake. Notice that in this case of a group assignment, it will load the photo of the previous group member as a background. And then, as the last group member, when he hit the submit button, the group work will then appear in the finish section, and all group members can view and vote on it. The teacher of Amigos will be using admin page to assign quizzes and monitor the student data. On the dashboard pages, it will show the quiz that need to be graded or approved pictures submitted by a student. This is what is going to look like in the later development. The teacher can create tasks for the student by clicking on Create Assignment or look at the previous assignment of the assignment list. In our next step, we will focus on implementing the new assignment, reminder, and recent finish feature on the home page, as well as the recent grade and best grade on the profile. Then we will implement the Hall of Fame feature, where we will represent top 3 students of every single quiz of each game. In this way, we believe we reduce the competitive level by creating more chances for the student and also encouraging the kids in a slightly competitive setting. However, we also want to implement more traditional games like word puzzle and Scrabble. And we also want to implement a currency system so-called Star, which users can earn by completing the quiz fast, and they can exchange it for cool items in shop like special effect on website or background changing. Additionally, we want to create a badge system where kids will receive badges when they pass a certain threshold. Finally, we will need to finish the admin functionalities like adding quizzes, notification, student performance monitoring. We are HTN, and that's our solution for CodeToGive. Thank you for watching.